Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS profile card hover effects. Now you can see some social media icons with glowing effect and you can see the smooth hover effect. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create HTML template and title is CSS profile card hover effects. Next, open your browser and create a new tab, and we want to search Fontosum 5 CDN link. This is the link for Fontosum CDN. Copy this Fontosum link, close the tab and paste it. Inside the body, we want a div with class name profile. Inside this, we want an image tag, and this image will be profile image. Next, we want a div with class name about. Inside this, h1. Inside this, we want to type Jack Smith. Next, we want to create another div with class name icons. Inside this icon tag, and this icon will be Facebook icon. Copy this icon and paste it 2 times. And we want to change this Instagram icon, and this icon will be Twitter icon. Next, we want to create a span, and inside this we want to type follow me. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing is border box. Next, we want to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 vh, width 100%, and background color hash 262626 ff. Let's start to style our class profile. Inside this, display flex direction is column, justify content is center, align item center, height 400 pixel and width 300 pixel, border radius 20 pixel, and we want at box shadow that was 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 60 pixel, and color is black, and cursor is pointer. Next, we want to style our image. Inside this, height 120 pixel and width is also 120 pixel, and we want at border radius that will be 50%. Save the file, refresh. Now you can see the image size is okay. Let's start to style our class about. Inside this, display flex direction is column, justify content is center, align item center, and font size is 15 pixel. Font family is sans serif and font color white. Margin is 10 pixel and padding is also 10 pixel. Save the file, refresh. That is looking good. Next, start to style our H1. Inside this, margin 15 pixel and font size is 40 pixel. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the font size is okay. Let's start to style our class icons. Inside this, display flex, justify content space between, align item center, width 100% and font size is 20 pixel. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the icons have got some space. Next, start to style our icon. Inside this, display block, padding 10 pixel, border radius is 50% and background color is white and icon color is black. Save the file. Refresh. The icons are looking nice. Let's start to style our span. Inside this, position is relative, top will be 20 pixel and font size is also 20 pixel, font weight is bold and font family is cursive and color white, padding 5 pixel and 10 pixel. We wanted border 2 pixel, solid and color is white and border radius will be 20 pixel. Save the file. Refresh. The button is looking nice. Let's start to create icon hover. Inside this, transition 0.5 second, transform, translate Y, that will be -10 pixel and box shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 40 pixel and color is white. Save the file. Refresh. The hover effect is working smoothly. Let's start to create our span hover. Inside this, transition will be 0.5 second, background color is white and font color is black. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the hover effect is working smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.